Belltech, the leader in sport truck suspension innovation, is proud to release our complete line of lowering solutions for all 2009 and up two-wheel drive Ford F-150 trucks. Available as a Belltech complete kit or as separate components, the Belltech lowering solution consists of a rear flip kit and our custom-tuned street performance shock absorbers for superior handling performance and uncompromised ride comfort. Whether you plan to lift the front by 1 inch to level the ride or drop the entire vehicle by 3 inches in the front and 5 inches in the rear, Belltech has an affordable and proven solution. As a subsidiary of KW Automotive, a leading international shock absorber and suspension design company, the heart of Belltech's F-150 program is our new Street Performance Series shock absorbers, developed directly from KW's racing roots and held to the same high quality and design standards. Belltech's Street Performance shocks are a direct bolt-in solution, featuring a highly engineered valving system custom-tuned specifically for the F-150 that offers superior quality, handling, and performance without compromise to ride comfort or safety. The new innovative F-150 Street Performance shocks allow users to adjust front ride heights from 1 inch of lift to 3 inches of lowering in half-inch increments while retaining factory alignment specifications. Bang for the buck! The Street Performance shock absorbers offer an incredible host of features and options at a great price and with ease of installation. Complementing all of the options in front ride height, Belltech offers a 2-inch lowering shackle for mild lowering and leveling or a complete 5-inch drop with a rear flip kit. The rear flip kit features black powder-coated heavy-duty saddles, shackles, spring plates, as well as all necessary hardware to correct the driveline geometry. For the serious handling enthusiast, Belltech also offers a 1-inch solid rear anti-sway bar for the F-150. The increase in rear roll stiffness helps balance out the cornering attitude and eliminates much of the OEM understeer while dramatically improving steering response. Belltech anti-sway bars, designed specifically for flipped or non-flipped rear suspension, are available. All Belltech products are street-proven and engineered to provide proper alignment, sufficient suspension travel, OEM reliability, and quality.